Hi, everybody. It's Eric Wilson from ISO Health Incorporated. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Wanted to talk to you about health insurance. Right now, a lot of us are in a holding pattern on our health insurance. We don't know if the Supreme Court is going to declare the Affordable Care Act, aka Obamacare, unconstitutional or not. We have no idea. We don't know in an election year if we change administrations, if they're going to repeal Obamacare. We don't know if you change the balance of power in the Senate, if they're going to put added pressure on there. You don't know if they're going to keep it, tweak it, modify it, what they're going to do. Doesn't really matter. What I do know is at some point we are all going to need medical attention. I'm not talking about the little doctor visits and the little cuts on your finger and those kind of things, but I'm talking about something major, whether it be knee surgery or back surgery or, God forbid, cancer or heart attack, brain surgery. Those are the costs you have to be concerned with. I was talking to a young person, I was 25, 26 recently, and he said, well, I don't have health insurance because I don't need it. I haven't seen a doctor since, at the beginning of my senior year in high school. I had to get a high school physical. That was the last time I saw a doctor. Well, that's great. And I would agree with him that you don't need health insurance if you don't see a doctor, if you don't get sick. I don't get sick very often either. I haven't seen a doctor probably since the early 90s myself. Uh, that being said, you still need health insurance for the big things in life. No one's ever gone bankrupt from a doctor visit, $100, $200, whatever. It's not convenient to pay. That part, we can all pay a couple $100 and not worry about it. When you have a $100,000 claim or a $50,000 claim, that's when it gets expensive. That's what you have to look at. I would recommend everybody, speak to your financial advisor or look at my website, www.isellhealth.com, for some ideas. You can get some fairly inexpensive health plans, what are called catastrophic plans, or even some health savings accounts are very affordable. Sometimes only $100 a month or less for a single person, a couple hundred, for an older person. But they make a lot of sense because you're protecting your assets. You still pay for your doctor visits and your physicals on your not your physicals anymore by the law. Excuse me, the new federal law allows you to have a free physical. I hate to use the word free because you're paying for it somewhere, but it allows you to have a physical at no additional charge. Now, part of me thinks the law went the wrong way on that. If they would have been more concerned with keeping the cost down instead of getting your preventative stuff covered. While I'm a big fan of everybody having their preventative stuff done, I get my oil changed on my car every 3,000 miles, and my insurance doesn't pay for that either. So I think they kind of may have gone the wrong way with that, but that's not my decision. But look at your health insurance. Talk to your advisor. You can get like maybe a $5,000 deductible, 100% coverage. Oh, geez, $5,000, that's a lot of money. If you don't use it very often, if you don't see a doctor very often, that's a good move. It's fairly low in premium. But if you do have something major happen, it's $100,000 or $50,000, and you're only stuck for $5,000, that's a pretty good deal. With medical bills being the number one cause of of medical bankruptcy, and it's not really because of the claim itself, because you have health insurance to cover a lot of that. It's the other stuff, the taking time off of work, the traveling back and forth, the extra treatments, the co-pays. Not even so much the co-insurance of 20%, because there's usually an out-of-pocket maximum there, but it's the time off of work when you're down and out that really hurts you. So look into the catastrophic type plan, $5,000 deductible or an HSA with a high deductible health plan. They're very valuable to you. They protect your health. They protect your assets. If you have any questions, give me a call. Have a great day.